Okay, Autonics TPS20 pressure transmitter. This one the wiring, how to check with multimeter. So this one external power supply 24 VDC. Okay, 24 plus to TPS20 pin number 1. So pin number 2 TPS20 go to milliamp input. Alright, this one 4 to 20 milliamp multimeter need to set, and then the COM from multimeter go to negative 24 VDC to complete the circuit. Okay. So this one number 1, number 2. Okay. So TPS20 series. The red color is power 24 VDC, and then negative to this negative to COM multimeter, and then milliamp to pin number 2. So now is no power, not up. Okay, no power. It will show 0 milliamp. If I power up, it show 4 milliamp. So is I feel the pressure will goes up, milliamp will goes up. Okay, thank you. So need to check your power. So you just need to use pin number 1 and pin number 2, this one. So you need to put the wire inside here for number 2, and then you tighten with the screw here. For this one, for number 1. So put here number 1, the wire inside here. Okay, and then if you want to put this earth wire, also can. So this one the inner. So this one the cap lah. So put the cap from the wire from here. Yep. And then you lock with the screw, the given one screw. Right. That's all. Thank you.